take a look at this stuff. Very cool. Oh yeah. 1964 Falcon, folks. Falcon convertible. Starting to rain over here, so we're gonna see what we can do to get you real quick. If you guys are seeing this, this is a short. I'm gonna link a long format video. Talk to the owner right over there. This is a one owner original C20 1970. He's got all the documentation. Just something else. They're doing awards right now. I hope he wins. Blue bow tie. C20. 40,000 miles. 40,000? This is cool, man. I don't know what to say. Trying to hurry. We got rain coming. '55 Chevrolet. Not only Chevrolet, 3 pedals though. However, I don't know. That looks like it might be a Tremec. I don't know. And if talk to owner, whatever it is, it's cool. I don't care. It's got 3 pedals. Super cool. Got this chrome intake sitting on that Chevrolet engine. Masterpiece.
Jonathan Berry, 69 Chevy SS. Hey, we got Detroit Diesel in the house.
Okay, here you go, guys.
Got Detroit Diesel.
This is gonna shock you when you see this. It's a 429.
I have to give it.
Give you a quick look at the interior.
Where's Jonathan at?
Covered headlight.
Jonathan,
19.
where you at?
Isn't that awesome?
Right. Eugene Griffith,
Shaker hood too. Come on, give it a.
We're gonna get through this.
It's got the shaker scoop. Unbelievable.
Luke Siebert, 52 Ford F1.
This is the last time you saw a Ranchero GT 429 car. All right, got you guys your Mopar of the day. 383, 1966. Very cool. Lots of leather all over in here. Here comes the rain. It's horrible to have a car show rained out. So sad. General Motors truck. Very cool.
The final award is the Pure Rock Radio Award with Corey Baker.
It's gonna be a quickie. ZL11 RSSS convertible. They had the top down until it started raining. And this is something else. It's a pace car. Not many of these made. How's that? White with blue stripes. Not white with blue stripes. I'm not going crazy. Orange stripes. It's a 1969 Z11 convertible car. We got what we could. Oh, you guys are gonna miss it all. Oldsmobile, the whole thing. Goes Charger. Now, I'm just gonna assume it was meant to be. Car show got rained out. Yeah. flexing going on. Lots of stuff going on over here. Rare Camaros, rare everything. T-Bird. Some people don't care if their stuff's getting rained on. Some people do. VW thing. Come over here, get a 69 covered headlight Charger. The guy had his hood open earlier, it started raining, drove all this way. We got rained out, folks. It's an RT. It's got a very nice top on it still. Looks like it's been done, redone. That's all we can do for you. Beautiful, beautiful. That's all we get. Last but not least, I have an Oldsmobile for you guys. It's got pinstriping. I was crazy to come over here and get this just because it was so cool. The show's getting rained out. 1955, 88. It's a white interior, purple accent. Come on. White wall tires. Look at this. Mopar product of the day, folks. Ooh, someone needs to tune up their carburetor. Alright, gonna get you guys a Packard real quick. It's a 55, definitely unusual. I noticed something when I walked by it earlier. Modern headlamps. What do you think of that? Not only is it rare to see a Packard out here, but to get one with modern headlamps. Heck yeah. Love it.